Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Uma here and we are heading to Bank Road to see how the reconstruction and expansion of the road is moving. My last video on this road reconstruction was 2 weeks ago and that was my first video on this road reconstruction. So on Saturday I was passing there and I noticed that a lot of changes have taken place, so I decided to go back there again and bring you the latest update on this road reconstruction and expansion. This project is among the major road rehabilitation projects in key areas in Umuahia to improve transportation infrastructure and to enhance mobility. The road expansion and reconstruction is progressing very smoothly and rapidly, courtesy of the Ever Governor of Abia State, His Excellency Dr. Alex Oti. A special thank you to all my subscribers and my returning viewers, and also to you that is watching my video for the first time. Please, as you're watching, remember to give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and turn on your notification bell to be notified when I post new videos. And don't also forget to share your thoughts with me in the comment section. I made this video yesterday, 9th of December 2024, and if you compare it with my last video on this road project 2 weeks ago, you will notice that a lot of changes have taken place. This is FMC by the right, and now we are turning to enter Bank Road so that you will see and understand what I am talking about. I don't think they expanded all the parts of this road. I think some parts were expanded and some parts were not. Then the drainages, they have done a lot of work on the drainages, like they've really gone far on the drainages, as you can see. I hope they are going to cover the drainages up, like closing them or closed drainage system. Yeah, it's better. So you can see the progress so far. If you compare it with the last video that I posted, you will see that there are a lot of difference. Saturday, there were a lot of heavy-duty machines and road constructors on this road, and people were made to use one lane, which made movement a little bit slow. You will see the video from Saturday almost at the end of this video. But yesterday, I didn't see much road constructors here, except few workers that were doing 1 or 2 touches on the drainages. All I can say is that the progress is very rapid. Within 2 weeks, they have done a lot, like a whole lot. Please make sure you watch this video to the end to see things for yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please, as you're watching, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share this video, subscribe if you are yet to be a subscriber, and please watch this video to the end. Don't also forget to share your thoughts with me. Tell me what you think about this road project. So this was Bank Road yesterday. We are going to continue this video till the end of this road, and we are going to come out at Opera Square. Then we are going to see the part of this road video that I made on Saturday, so that you will see how this road was on Saturday. Thank you for watching. My name is Ella. Stay happy, stay blessed.